All right, welcome back to our kitchen and welcome back to my channel. I have some leftover steak and baked potato and I'm hungry for breakfast. Now, whereas I could have it like that, I am gonna turn this with some eggs and cheese into a steak breakfast burrito. Let's get started. I'm gonna start with my steak here. I have started to trim off some of the fat and then I'm just gonna cut it up into tiny little bite-sized pieces. So let me finish that up. We have that all chopped up real nice and fine. I'm gonna take the tomato or mushrooms that were in there and I'm gonna dice them up to put in it as well. Now that we got our steak and our mushrooms, we're gonna dice up this half of baked potato that's left over. Steak, mushrooms, potatoes, all finely diced. Now we're ready to cook up our eggs. So I just have this on medium heat. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of oil in the pan, let that get hot. Gonna crack in about 4 eggs. I think that should be good. We're gonna add some salt. And we're gonna add some pepper. Then we're just gonna break those yolks and mix it up so that we can make some scrambled eggs basically and let them cook. You can put this in a bowl and you could have mixed it all together to begin with, but this is just the way I'm gonna do it because I kind of wanted the different shades for in there. They're cooking well. I'm just gonna keep cooking them. All right, we're gonna take those off and set them aside because we're gonna warm up our potatoes, mushrooms, and steak. We got the oil heated and we just wanna crisp these potatoes up. Got a little color on those. We're gonna go ahead and put in our mushrooms and our steak. Just fry that up just a little bit. Got that all pulled together with our eggs. We're just gonna preheat our little tiny George Foreman and spray it with some ham. While that's heating, we're gonna go ahead and put some of our eggs on here. And we're gonna add our meat and potatoes and mushrooms. Add a little cheese. Or a lot of cheese, depending on what you like. And then we're gonna roll it up. And place that baby right on there. And let's let her cook. Let's take a peek. Woo-wee! Look at that baby. We let it go for a couple more minutes.